HOLZ-HER at the Ligna in Hanover. Experience our newest innovations and highlights. Automation Pro is the master system for control of production flow and material management in modern shops. Automation Pro ensures efficient, transparent and documented production. The heart of this solution is a network PC with pre-installed software and database for production control on various HOLZ-HER machines and a StoreMaster panel storage system. Only a few clicks are required to transfer production data from the drawing to production. Automation Pro also provides for real-time communication between the panel storage system and database. It takes the current material inventory as well as reserved panel material into consideration. Naturally, it is possible to minimize the quantity of remnant panels with appropriate prioritization. The preview allows an overview of activated orders and machining details before they are released for production. As soon as the master computer releases the order, automatically optimized cutting plans are sent to the HOLZ-HER beam saw, and the required panels are requested from the storage system. Labeling can be accomplished manually or automatically for part recognition. Clear marking of the workpieces and further processing operations are essential, particularly for collective jobs. The new HOLZ-HER Power Label system is recommended, particularly for processing large quantities of panels in minimum time. Jobs approved for HOLZ-HER nesting CNC operations are displayed to the machine operator in a job list, and the necessary material is automatically requested from the StoreMaster system. The job manager provides for fully automated daily production. After scanning the individual QR codes, the edge bander switches over to the required processing mode fully automatically. The return master allows efficient one-person operation, resulting in a significant increase in productivity. To complete the Automation Pro system, the Weinig Machine Monitoring app offers the possibility of checking the machine stats, calling up machine efficiency evaluations, and reviewing the degree of processing for pending or completed orders. Secure your production for the future with HOLZ-HER Automation Pro.